Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest in tech and creativity. Today, we're delving into the exciting world of 3D printing to unveil the top contenders for the title of the best 3D printer of the year. Join us as we break down features, performance, and value, helping you find the perfect printer to bring your ideas to life. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Congro Large V2 Upgraded 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 goes beyond mere 3D printing. It serves as a gateway to limitless potential, designed for enthusiasts, creators, and innovators driven by the desire to materialize their ideas. This fully open-source marvel invites you into the vast and dynamic realm of 3D printing. Setting up the Ender 3 is a breeze, taking just around 2 hours, sparing you from the complexities of advanced engineering degrees. Follow intuitive instructions and swiftly embark on your printing odyssey, transforming your concepts into tangible reality with ease, delight. In its user-centric design, which allows for customization and upgrades tailored to your creative vision, its open-source nature fosters a collaborative atmosphere within a thriving community of makers, offering a platform for sharing, learning, and honing your 3D printing skills. Experience tranquility with the Ender 3's V-shaped and POEM wheels, ensuring smooth and silent operation, allowing you to focus solely on your creations, undisturbed by the printer's noise. Equipped with a branded power supply and a high-watt hotbed, the Ender 3 promises swift heating and consistent performance. Integrated safety features provide assurance, ensuring a secure and efficient printing journey. Number 2. Creality Upgrade Ender 3S1 Pro 3D Printer. This 3D printer offers extensive modifiability, particularly in terms of software. Though the initial setup and configuration demand about an hour of your patience, equipped with an upgraded, magnetized platform featuring heating capabilities, it boasts the valuable ability to resume printing from where it left off after cancellation. Priced under $300, this printer may not deliver top-tier print quality for intricate terrain, but it satisfies the needs of beginners. Its open-source code presents an exciting opportunity for 3D printing enthusiasts to tinker and customize their printer to their heart's content. Designed to ensure smoother and synchronized operation, it minimizes the occurrence of lines and ridges on printed objects, thereby enhancing overall print quality. Moreover, its streamlined installation process, comprising just 6 steps, further elevates user convenience. Number 3. Eleg Mars 4 Max MSLA 3D Printer. The Eleg Mars 4 Max transcends the ordinary confines of 3D printing, emerging as a precision sculpting instrument capable of turning your digital visions into tangible masterpieces with unparalleled detail. This resin-based marvel empowers creators to fashion intricate miniatures, elaborate artworks, and functional prototypes with ease. With its introduction of a 1-inch 6K monochrome LCD screen, boasting an astonishing resolution of 5760 by 3600 pixels, the Mars 4 Max ensures that every detail is brought to life with breathtaking clarity, operating at an impressive speed of 70 mm per hour in its high-speed mode. This printer maintains exceptional quality without sacrificing efficiency. For projects necessitating even finer details, the static or dynamic modes provide a slower, meticulous, layer-by-layer refinement process. Say goodbye to overheating concerns, as the Mars 4 Max incorporates a double-fan cooling system, ensuring consistent, cool operation that not only prolongs the printer's lifespan but also guarantees high-quality results with every print. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer. With its dual extruder design, the FlashForge Creator Pro caters to those seeking to print with multiple materials or colors simultaneously. Built with a sturdy metal frame and an upgraded assembly platform capable of withstanding high temperatures, this printer ensures stable vertical movements for enhanced print quality. The inclusion of dual extruders not only accelerates the printing process but also enhances stability. Compatible with a range of materials including ABS, PLA, nylon, soluble filaments, and even composite materials like wood and metal, the Creator Pro offers versatility in material choices through its advanced features such as built-in vibration compensation and high-speed, high-temperature printing. Consumables are fully melted, mitigating issues like ghosting in prints. Additionally, equipped with a robust nozzle fan and an auxiliary fan within the cavity, this printer efficiently cools printed models, preventing wire drawing and deformation with utmost effectiveness. Number 5. Chii Max 3 High-Speed 3D Printer. The Chii Max 3 stands out as a highly proficient filament 3D printer, offering remarkable detail, swift print speeds, and seamless setup. It comes fully equipped with all essentials for immediate printing, along with spare parts to prolong the printer's operational life and maintain print quality. Boasting a robust construction, it features an intuitive interface facilitated by a sleek touchscreen, simplifying navigation. Uniform heating of the print bed ensures consistent print quality across various filament materials. With its expansive build area, users have ample space to fabricate larger single-piece prints or elaborate multi-part designs effortlessly. Praised for its exceptional customer support, Chii provides assistance whenever needed, ensuring a smooth printing journey. The all-metal frame guarantees stability, minimizing interruptions caused by vibrations during printing sessions. Moreover, the carefully temperature-controlled drying box promotes even cooling of prints, contributing to superior print quality and durability.